Centre is set to extend President's rule in Manipur for another 6 months from August 13th, and a notice for bringing a statutory resolution on it has been given to the Rajya Sabha, which has been admitted by the chair. The House is yet to take up the notice, which will be listed next week after time for discussing the same is allocated by the Business Advisory Committee of the Upper House. According to Rajya Sabha Secretariat, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has given a notice of the following resolution, which has been admitted that this House approves the continuance in force of the proclamation dated the 13th February 2025 in respect of Manipur issued under Article 356 of the Constitution by the President for a further period of 6 months with effect from 13th August 2025. President's rule had been imposed in Manipur on February 13, 2025 after former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh resigned.